In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to concatenate text. If you've ever needed to pull pieces of text from different cells and bring them together into one clean line, like building a full name from separate first and last name columns, the concatenate function is exactly what you need. It works in most spreadsheets, including popular ones you're likely using, and it's designed to combine text strings or even cell ranges into a single result. Here's the idea. Concatenation just means joining text. Imagine you have a first name in cell A2 and a last name in cell B2. You want them to appear together with a space in between. Click into the cell where you want the combined text to appear and type the formula. Concatenate A2, B2. Press enter and you'll see the two pieces merge into one line with a neat space in the middle. Let's break down what's happening inside the formula. A2 is your first piece of text. The fatish is a literal space you're inserting between the parts. Anything inside quotes is added exactly as written. Then B2 is the second piece. You can add as many pieces as you like by continuing with commas, for example, adding a middle name or a suffix. Just remember that every intentional space, comma, dash, or other character you want to appear must be inside quotes. If you need to repeat this for more rows, use the fill handle to copy the formula down the column. The cell references will adjust automatically so each row combines the right cells. This is a fast way to build full names, product labels, or any text that needs to be assembled from multiple fields. You're not limited to single cells either. The function can work with cell ranges, allowing you to pull together several adjacent cells in one go. For example, a range like A2C2 can be combined to bring multiple pieces of information together in order. If you want separators between each item in a range, include them as quoted text where needed to keep your result readable. A few tips for clean results. If you're joining numbers or dates and want a specific format, make sure they're formatted the way you intend before combining, or add the proper formatting within your setup. And always double check your spacing. Missing spaces are the most common reason combined text looks cramped. That's the core of concatenation. Choose your cells, place any separators in quotes, and let the function do the stitching. Once you get comfortable with it, you'll find countless places to streamline and clean up your data.